Hi everyone, and today I'm going to give you an unboxing of the Northbound Gear 100% waterproof jeans. So I'm really excited to unbox this because I have tested loads of other products by Northbound Gear. So Northbound Gear have sent me these jeans to test and provide an honest review, so I'd like to thank them for providing this to me. I'll be providing a review in a different video. In terms of the packaging, it comes in this, pretty basic. And then once we get that, we have this. So slightly different packaging to the packaging that I explored with the adventure pants. And then we also have a little card. Okay, and that is it. Okay, so I took these trousers mountain biking and they managed to stay pretty dry. So for mountain biking, they were pretty perfect. And because they are quite wide, they fit very well and very flexible. So they're not a tight fit, but they are very good for things like cycling and exercising. So if you want to get 15% off any Northbound Gear products on their website, all you have to do is go to northboundgear.co and use my discount code DavidsonReviews15. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions, and if you did like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. So apart from that, thank you very much for watching.